something with hips in it. Top answer was cherry. What's the next major purchase?
What are you doing?
You say.
Look at your mouth. Are you a little old person?
27, you're on your way. Top answer was house. You got that. Name a way in which Thrifty Wise saves money. 29 points. You say.
Sophia.
Goodwill. Oh boy. Is Goodwill enough to do it? I need 29 points. Survey says. Oh! Number one answer was coupons. That's all right.
Sophia.
$895. But you know what? Thompson family's coming back.
Here's your mouth again.
$20,000.
What are you doing?
But you know we'll be here and I'll be here. We got more feuding to do. Bye-bye for now.
It's a grandpa. Yeah, dead grandpa. Sophia. Sophia.
Oi, Petsivana! Recebam as saudações do Brasil. O Wheel of Fortune está em todos os lugares do mundo. Do Brasil, lugar de exuberante natureza e uma cultura exótica é o Roda Roda.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pat Zizek and Sarah White.
Sophia. Sophia. Sophia.
Very funny sometimes. I didn't want to do it.
Hey.
Hi, everybody. Our thanks to our Brazilian friends from the show Roda a Roda. We appreciate that. All we do is stand backstage and look at those tapes and go, my, they're so young there, aren't they? Let's do a toss-up. Get ready.